This is a used 2009 Ford Flex, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, digital audio input, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Kistler Ford Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5555 West Central Avenue, Toledo, Ohio 43615.